10 uses of technology in present days. Technology has boomed beyond belief within the past 10 years and has taken over various industries and workplaces. It is most learned skill now with a wide variety of subcategories. Technology has evolved and shaped our workplace in many ways through the adoption of tools like internet and email for communication, word processing, spreadsheets, and presentation for office productivity, electronic database for recording, keeping, and robots and artificial intelligence for autonomous. Technology is indispensable in our workplace and it pervades every aspect of businesses and public space. Here are 10 ways in which technology has become an integral part of everyday life. Communication technology. Long distance communication is one area where technology has made a profound impact on workplace. Businesses used to employ fax machines, surface mail, and telephone in past. Today, email, SMS, and various chat software tools has become the principal mode of business communication, and also the use of video conference in on the rise, those reducing the need for physical travel. Office productivity. Second, word processing, a spreadsheet, digital presentation, and other office productivity software have become so commonplace that their use has become routine, and this has completely transformed office work. Office software is now becoming integrated with other productivity and decision making tools like Power BI, and this new way will revolutionize the work area again. Third, record keeping and retrieval. Another area where advanced technology is already is in use record keeping. Most businesses have switched to electronic database rather than paper files to store and access their records, and this has become an essential and everyday part of our work environment, both internet and search. One other major tool that has become our commonplace so as to become nearly unmarkable is the internet and its organization through such portals such as Google and Bing. Information retrieval and research using internet tools has become as an indispensable tool for all work. 5. Decentralized work and cloud computing. The proliferation of laptops, tablets, and smartphones has become made it easier for professionals to work from anywhere and has led to flexibility work environments like freelancing, work on demand, and work from home. Recently, this trend has accelerated because of adoption of cloud computing, which allows workers to store and use data and application on servers. Sixth, analytics and a new decision structure. Big data analytics has become an important tool for all businesses functions. For instance, marketing through digital channels requires a professional to routine use advanced tools for analytic and computer advertising. Human resources departments are using specialized tools for recruiting, performance tracking, work retention. Such data driven decision systems are allowing frontline workers to act quickly without always waiting for decision from the traditional top down management structure. Seventh, automation, robotics, and future factors. Many workers, especially in manufacturing sector, already work alongside autonomous robots. This is increasingly true in many other settings such as work, home, logistics, office, sanitization, build, security. As more and more robots work alongside and in a tandem with people, human works are begin to adjust to this new reality. Eighth, adapting of virtual and augmented reality. Sales and marketing uses augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) are gaining ground in several stores and sections. For instance, real estate companies have enthusiastic adapted this approach and have become the famous simultaneously environment through a series of links, panoramic photography of properties, interiors by using a high quality lens of 360 degrees cameras. Ninth, conversational system chatbots assistants. Conversational systems like chatbots and personal assistants are important AI tools. Many companies have deployed chatbots to offer round the clock customer support, and customer support system usually have both as a frontline against backend up by human against. Another use of a conversational technology is the use of talking assistant that are integrated across their homes and work environment and designed to help workers navigate their duties. 10th, information security. With the spot in technology advancement, a big corner for business in the security and sensitive data. Protecting customers and businesses' data is an essential task for any enterprise, and a lot of invasive but indispensable security process from physical access control using token or biomarkers, communication control, and elaborate digital access controlling mechanism have become an intrinsic part of 21st century workplace. Today, digital disruption is playing a key role in transforming businesses. Major innovation like artificial intelligence, blockchain, machine learning, Internet of Things, and virtual reality have started completely transformed the world and nature of work. In addition, basic technologies like office productivity tools, video conference and internet search, electronic record keeping, electronic mail have already become everyday part of our lives. Like and share. Any doubt, comment below. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a good time.